This is Mahmoud Hassan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we will solve this problem. In this problem, this is the isometric view, and this is the front view, and this is the right side view. If we use the slot sketch, we can easily draw this part. We can say it has a 10 unit of length, and if we draw this construction geometry shape, and if then we draw a circle, after that we will use the swift boss to get this final shape. Let's start. You can see it has a 10 unit height of diameter, then it has 4.5 plus 2, total is 6.5. Okay, let's select the front plane and select slot. The height is 10 unit, then the total length. Okay, we will give this smart dimension. The height is 10 and the radius 4.5 plus 8.5 minus 4.5 divided by 2, which is 6.5. okay, now delete this line. Okay, and exit sketch. Then go to top plane and draw a circle of this diameter, which is 8.5 minus 4.5, 4 diameter. Select circle, draw a circle of 4 diameter. That now dimension it from origin. The length is 4.5 plus 2, 6.5. okay, now exit sketch. Now go to swift boss. Now select the circle and select the profile. Click OK. This is our final part. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.